Hello my gorgeous stunning butterflies. So for today's video I will be showing you a very easy party glam makeup in less than 10 minutes. As you know, the wedding season is upon us and this video will show you how to be party ready in less than 10 minutes. So let's just straight away dig into the video. I'm going to keep the video short and educational. So yeah, I start off with a clean skin and I'm using the primer from Dermalogica. It's the hydrablur primer, and then I use my BB cream as my foundation. I do not use any foundation in this video, and yeah, I just stipple it in my skin. I am not rubbing it, bear in mind, just stipple it in. That way it stays in for longer and it gives you a nice dewy skin. And then with my beauty blender I use the Ben Nye banana powder to bake the areas, the highlighted areas under the eye area, slightly on my chin, on my forehead, and on my jawline. That is just to highlight that part of your face. So I let it bake throughout my makeup, and then I go ahead and I pick up the Too Faced Everything Nice palette and I pick up the color Dream On, and I'm applying it with a blending brush on all over my brow bone. Ladies, make sure that you blend it well. Blending is the key. I'm not taking it all the way in, but making sure that I blend it properly. Blend it to the point where you don't see any lines. Then I pick up the color Fawned Upon You. That's a very nice mocha brown, and I apply it all over my eyelid. And again, blending is the key, so just make sure that you blend it well. My most favorite color from Too Faced, that's the color Knockout. It's a dark brown color, and I pick it up with my favorite brush in the world, that's the MAC 217, and I apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I try to take it midway in, and I do the same thing in the inner corner of my eyes. So I'm just applying it on the outer corner and the inner corner. Go ahead and I pick up the Mascara 4-color liquid metal palette, and I'm using the color Electrum. That's a very beautiful silver metallic color, and I'm applying it with a eyeshadow brush, and I am just stippling it in, just dabbing it in. I am not rubbing it on my eyes, and I'm only applying it on the inner part of my on the middle part of my eye, the part that I kept empty. Go ahead and pick up the liquid eyeshadow from Stila, and this is in the color Molten Midnight, and I apply it on the center of my eyes, and I try to blend it out with my finger or the brush, whatever is convenient to you. It's to be my favorite part in any makeup, that is the liner. I'm using the Amias Precision liner, and I have already done a lot of videos on liners, and what I'm doing here is making an outline and filling it in. That's what I usually do. I then remove the baking powder, make sure that the skin is nice and clear, and make sure that you have removed the entire baking powder. Don't leave anything behind because it looks really bad. And I apply the color Knockout on the lower eyelid, and I make sure to blend it all the way in with and I pick up a nice pigmented liquid liner, a glitter liquid liner, and I apply it in the inner corner of my lower eyelid, and I take it halfway through. You can apply loose glitter over it just to give it that va-va boom effect. I usually do that, but for this video I didn't. I just used my liner as it is. I then go ahead and I apply my mascara. This is the Essence mascara, and make sure that I use my face powder. The face powder that I'm using is MAC N25. I then go ahead and I contour my face with the Sephora contour kit, just making sure to make a generic 3. I will do a contour video very soon with you guys, and just making sure that I apply my face powder evenly on my skin. I then go ahead and apply my Too Faced blush cream in the Prim and Poppy. Oh, oops, there you go. This is what happens when you don't realize. Okay, don't worry, I got it fixed. This is what makeup is all about. You keep making errors, and it's okay, everything's fixable. I then go ahead and I pick up my favorite lip liner in the world. That's from Max Factor. It's in the color 14, brown and nude. It's my favorite nude lip liner in the world, and I outline my lips with it, and I make sure not to go really above my lips, trying to keep it on my lips. I don't like overlined lips. I then go ahead and apply Doll Kiss liquid lipstick from Amias, which soon inshallah will be in the market for you all to buy, and it's a very beautiful nudie peachy liquid lipstick. It's amazing, it's very long lasting, and it's just very doll like. This was me showing you how to be party glam in less than 10 minutes. And I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something out of it. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me everywhere on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and leave your comments and let me know what you'd like to see in the future, and also let me know if this was simple enough for you or you want me to simplify it even furthermore. So yeah, and that's it. Just do not forget to shine, never dull your shine for anyone, and yeah, keep shining my gorgeous stunning butterflies, and keep loving me because your love means the world to me.